Welcome to Theory of Innovation by Shea Homes. My name's Josh Miller, and I'll be showing you around today. Theory features single-level living at its best. Individual private garages, elevator access, and not a step to be found. Today, we're gonna go take a look at the Plan 2. Plan 2 is gonna feature 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, all on one level. Here at Innovation, you're also gonna have wonderful amenities. We've got a pool, fitness center, clubhouse, outdoor barbecues, a park, and some beautiful weather. Let's take a look.